Hey there, mga babes, Taurus. Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel po. So yan, no, kung hindi pa kayo aware at kung hindi nyo pa knows, na meron tayong new channel, ang All About Taurus, ang channel's name. Ang link niyan ay nasa description box, mga babes, no? No daw? Yung channel's name ay All About Taurus. Ang link ay nasa description box. So, you might want to check that out. Especially, napakaganda ng nakuha naming energies, no? So, maaring makaresonate kayo ron. You might want to check that out. Okay? The language doon sa channel na yon is in English language. Yan, mga babes, no? At lagi namang naka-on, I mean, yung captions doon. So, you might want to check that channel out. That is for Taurus, or kung kayo ay cross-watcher ni Taurus, of course, welcome rin kayo rin mga babes, no? At syempre, kung kahit hindi kayo Taurus, pero meron kayong Taurus in your natal chart and you might be wanting to check the channel, go ahead, do that. Okay, so for today's content, notin na natin kung ano ba to mga babes, no? Who's coming towards you. That's what our content would be. Pero yun nga, just take only what resonates. Wala tayong gender dito. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you're all welcome here mga babes. Okay, let's not get fixed with the zodiac sign kung may mention man. Lagi kayo magbabase sa vibrations, sa connection, sa energy, sa storyline. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out. Spirits and angel guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Can you tell me about this person here coming towards my Taurus? Tell me about this person here who's coming towards my Tauruses right here. How does this person views my Taurus? How does my Taurus views this person? What is the blockage? What is the mutual connection? What is going on in here for my Tauruses? Can you please show us messages? Who's coming towards my Taurus? This is for Taurus. Taurus. Just picking up the right energies. Thank you so much. Pwede nyo i-skip ang shuffling if you want, Taurus. Okay, let's go. Oh, this person is viewing you as the Seven of Swords energy. Yeah, this person is thinking about right here, parang may tinatago ka. Or this is you, pinoprotektahan mo yung sarili mo about something, or pinoprotektahan mo yung sarili mo sa kanya, might be. We're gonna find out, no, ano ba ito at makita yung whole picture here. But this person here feels something here na parang meron ditong ikaw tinatago, pwedeng hindi sinasabi, may nalilihim ka, no, or pwedeng ikaw to na pwedeng nararamdaman niya na hindi ka pa ready or open para sa kanya, no. This person thinks that hindi naman parang deceptive yung datingan mo, like literally may ginagawa kang hindi maganda sa kanya. By the way, you can flip rose if you want. Pero nakuha ko dito, this person is viewing you as someone na overprotective sa self mo. Yeah, okay. Overprotective right here, no, sa heart mo. That's what I'm sensing. Because maybe this is you, mga babes, no, pwedeng nasaktan ka na rin, no, at mukhang natuto ka doon. And this is you, parang nahihirapan ka na mag-trust into anyone. Yeah, no. So this person is viewing you as the Seven of Swords right here. And you're viewing this person here as the Two of Pentacles energy. Parehas kayo, no? So, kung sino man to, no, hindi ka pa sigurado sa kanya, it's like, maybe this person, yeah, I'm hearing invitation. So, this person right here could be inviting you out, labas daw kayo, date, or kayo to na mag-get to know each other, or maaring nililigawan ka na niya, pero tinatanong niya rito kung it's a yes ba daw or it's a no. Pero ikaw to na hindi mo pa alam. Like literally, maalon pa, no? Ang sitwasyon na to for you, no? Parang, you are viewing this person here na parang hindi ka pa sigurado right here, Yeah, at mukhang nararamdaman niya, no, yung energy mo. So, whatever the case may be, no, maaring ikaw to na parang baka mamaya player din yan. Nagdadalawang isip ka, no, sa kanya. Baka mamaya mamali ako dito ng desisyon. Baka mamaya ganito pala siya. Yan, ayoko magkamali. So, yan, nasa protective mode ka talaga rito. Yan, no. It's like, nararamdaman ko you're walking, no, on the eggshell. Okay? So, nakikita ko that you are still trying to balance your emotions, trying to calm yourself for you to be able na makapaggawa ng best decision regarding this situation. So, parehas kayo rito mga babes, nakikita ko rito, no? Parehas kayo nag-iisipan. Nang hindi naman sa hindi maganda about each other, no? Pero yun nga, no? Maybe you're trying to still know this person here, or maybe you are trying to know as well yung self mo. Do I picture myself beside this person? Or ano ba tong nararamdaman ko? Yan. Maybe this is someone new. Or maybe this is the person here na nandiligaw na sa'yo, nagpaparamdam na ng emotions and feelings for you. Pero it's like, this is you. Hindi pa ako sure kasi miss yan. Well, I'm seeing that at nararamdaman din yun, no? Other person right here. Yan, no? Like, hindi kanya mahulaan. So, pwedeng ikaw ay hindi masyadong nagpapakita, no, ng anumang signs and clues, no? Pero nararamdaman niya rito na pwedeng nag-aalinlangan ka, nasa protective mood ka, pwedeng close off ka. Yan, no? So, nakikita ko rito, mutual energy ninyong dalawa is this double. Yan, no? Meron ditong hindi toxic na energy, okay? Pero meron dito na iniisip mo siya, iniisip ka niya. Yes, no? Actually, okay, nakikita ko rito na may interest ka naman sa kanya, kaya lang hindi ka pa sigurado. Okay? Ito kayo na pwedeng hindi kayo masyadong nag-uusap about this relationship or connection right here, or hindi ka pa makapagbigay sa kanya ng kasagutan dun sa tinatanong niya rito, no? Pero parehas kayong nag-iisipan. Okay? There is some kind of an obsessive, okay, energy coming out from you guys. No? Nakikita ko rito, no, na marami ditong pag-iisip, marami rito na parang yun nga, no, may mga bagay kayo rito tanong sa isa't isa na hindi nyo ngayon maitanong, no, kasi parang ramdam niyo yung energy na wala pa rito may gustong mag-open up. Pero yun nga, nakikita ko rito na you are, okay, nasa parehas na isipan ng parehas ninyo brains right here. No, you are into each other's thoughts, you are into each other's minds. Sometimes yung Tagalog ko talaga wala sa hulog, eh. So, yun, babes. Yan, okay. So, the blockage right here, okay, between you guys, okay, that's the mutual energy. Parang kayo nag-iisipan, okay? And, walang araw na hindi mo naiisip yan. Especially, kung meron ka mang manliligaw, wala tayong gender dito, or meron kang pagpipilian or options, no? Nakikita mo rin kasi, okay, yung potential nitong person na to, no? So, yung interest mo is mas malaki para sa kanya kaysa dun sa isa kung may options ka man. Kung wala, no, at siya lang yung nag-iisa rito, no, na parang nakakonect mo, nakikita ko na may interest ka sa kanya, pero yun nga, no, hindi mo pa sure. Okay? Hindi mo pa sure kung hindi ka sasaktan yung tao na yan, or hindi mo pa sure yung nararamdaman mo, especially kung new guy or new girl in town yan. Okay? So, the blockage in this type of connection is the justice. Oh, balance. Exactly. Because you are trying to balance here. At yun na nga yung inyo rito na blockage, no? Which is yung challenge, no? Kailangan magkaroon ng balance rito. Okay? Let us take a look at, okay, the advice or the outcome, okay, of this connection here. Okay? The outcome could be, ooh, Four of Wands. Beautiful. Right at the bottom of this deck right here is the Tower. So yeah, definitely, makikita mo rito. No? Wow. Yung iba sa inyo may options kaya pero nagsa-stand out rito. Like biglaan to, unexpected to, mga babes, no? Tutulungan kayo rito, no, with these three major arcanas present right here. The universe will give you signs and clues, okay, to give this person here a chance. Meron ditong balance akong nakikita for you guys, no? And if you're seeing 11-11 oftenly, or most of the times, then this could be one of the powerful sign that this reading is for you or any, okay? 222, yeah, but 1111 is standing out, okay? But that's not applicable to all, okay? Pero kung nakaka-resonate ka rito, no, mukhang malabo pa to sa ngayon, sa tingin mo, pero nakikita ko rito, no, na yung challenge ninyo, na justice card right here, no, yung pagiging balance ng connection na to, nakikita ko magbabalanse ito for you guys, okay? So, kung sino man tong kadil ninyo, no, actually, mauuwi to sa marriage. Support system siya. Okay? Kailangan nyo lang maging open sa isa't isa, no, maging malinaw, no. I think the advice here is to have this heart-to-heart talk. Okay? It looks like the universe right here will give this connection here a chance to grow, to bloom like a flower. So whatever the case may be, it looks like gagawa si universe dito ng paraan, no, upang mga babes, no, kayo ay makapagkita, makapag-usap. Ma-open mo sa kanya kung ba't ganyan, no, yung nararamdaman mo. Kasi hindi ko nakikita na hindi ka naman sa hindi interesado. Actually, interesado ka. May fear ka lang, no? Meron lang something na parang kinatatakutan ka na mangyari, no? Kailangan lang ng balanse dito. And I think, no, pag nag-usap kayo, no, masasabi niya rin sa'yo, no, na ganyan rin yung napapansin niya sa'yo. Okay? Maganda to kasi alam mo, okay, parang kayo ay pinagtagpo dahil kayo ay itinadhana. Yan. With the taray, with the tower right here together with this 11 of Wands, hindi ko nakikita na marriage lang ito. I'm seeing you building this life together. This is a Disney castle to me. So whatever the case may be, this is your, I think, one true love. Yan. Wow, Taurus. Okay. Okay lang yan. Hindi mo kailangan magmadali. Kasi hindi ko naman nakikita, no, na kahit na ganito, na naguguluhan tong person na to sa'yo, ay aalis siya. Hindi. Like, hindi. Okay? Hindi ko nakikita nilalayuan ka niya. But this person here is patiently waiting, no, at naiintindihan ka niya at patuloy ka niyang iintindihin. Pero nakikita ko na magkakaroon din ng balanse ito. Yan, antaray. Sino ka dyan? So, wow, Taurus, okay? Yan, no? Taray, no? Alam niyo mga babes, no? Punta kayo dun sa kabilang channel, okay? Nakukuha namin doon ang napakagandang love story, no? Lalo na kaninang umaga. Okay? Telling you guys, no? So, you might want to check that out. So, thank you so much, Taurus. Sarang Love and Light. Annyeong.